And a man, he is in love with you before sleeping with you. After sleeping with you, most of them, they can run away. You understand? They can run away. A woman will think that when, after sleeping with a man, that man can love me. No, he doesn't love you just because he is sleeping with you. You understand? He can run away after snaking. Men, they want to snake only. They want to snake most of the times. You understand? That's why long time ago they saying you have to pay lobola after he is sleeping with you. You understand? You understand? Because the guys, long time ago they are saying you have to sleep together after marriage, after paying lobola. But nowadays we can do what we want. You understand? That's why we're saying those men are players. No, it's their nature, guys. Woman, you have a bond with a man after sleeping with him. A man, he doesn't have a bond with you after sleeping with you. You understand? A man have a bond with you before he is sleeping with you. But after sleeping with you, he doesn't have a bond.